Hello guys, morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm good. Fine.
Good. Okay. Okay guys, before we start our lesson today, let's say basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Baiklah, sebelum kita mulai, we attend you first. So I call you your name. So say present. Zulia Ilmawati,
Present, sir.
Melanie Nasril,
Present, sir.
Mamat. Oke. Jadi sebelumnya kalian tahu kita belajar apa yang minggu kemarin?
We learn about the narrative text.
Oh. Anyone know what we're gonna learn today?
Today we learn about narrative text, sir.
Okay, Julia. Okay, that's right. So Julia, berarti you belajar narrative text sebelumnya, sebelum pelajaran mulai?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I wanna ask you guys. Anyone know what is narrative text?
Narrative text is a type of text that tells the story of described experience of events, sir.
Guys, before we next to was teaching sebelum kita melanjutkan ke inti pembelajaran kita, saya ingin kalian membaca sebuah teks yang saya sudah read. It's a narrative text. So I want you need to this. Okay, first, I wanna to Melanie read the text.
Okay, I will read this text about Sang Kuryang and Dayang Sumi. Once upon a time, a happy family lived in a kingdom in Priyamanala. There were a father in the form of a dog. His name was Uma, a mother who was called Dayang Sumi, and a child who was called Sang Kuryang. One day, Dayang Sumi asked her son to hunt with his lovely dog, Tuma. After hunting all day, Sang Kuryang became despaired and worried because he found no deer. Then he thought of shooting his dog. After that, he took the dog's life and carried it home.
Okay, Melanie, I wanna ask you, based on your text that you read, I hope you can answer. What can you tell about who is the character in this paragraph?
The character is one, Dayang Sumi.
Yeah.
Two, her son. Her son is named Sang Kuryang.
Right.
And then Tumang, his father is the
Okay.
Melanie.
Thank you. Thank you, Melanie. Now we are going to wax teaching. Inti pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah tentang narrative text. Jadi Julia kan tahu materi kita pada hari ini. Jadi apa sih tuh narrative text, Julia?
Narrative text itu kayak cerita-cerita dongeng gitu.
Okay. What about you, Melanie?
Narrative text is the story of the sequence in the past.
Sequence in the past. Okay. Sequence in the past. And Julia said is
Cerita dongeng.
dongeng. Okay. Jadi yang kalian katakan semua ini betul dari pengertian dari naratif text tersebut, guys. Okay. Now I wanna ask you some question. If you have understand a little bit about narrative text. text, right? Okay, I wanna ask, what about Maling Kundang stories? Is that a narrative text?
Yes.
Yes. What can Maling Kundang is a narrative text? What the characteristic that include?
Dongeng.
Yeah, is it dongeng or
Fiction.
fiction? Yeah, we can add some criteria fiction. So narrative text is about fiction, right? Okay. What about news? News in the television. Is that narrative text? No? Yeah. So why? Because why?
Because the news is the not text and then about the fact.
Yeah, it's a fact. Yeah. Sementara narrative text itu adalah
Fiction.
fiction and news is a fact. Okay, good guys. And what about Cinderella stories? Is that a narrative or anything?
Yes. That's
Yes.
it.
Yeah. Is the narrative. Is the narrative. Okay.